Good morning around the house with Kay and Tom. This morning I have some little smokies. What I'm going to do is very simple. It's quick. I'll leave it alone, put it in and leave it for a couple of hours, and then you have an appetizer. What you need is grape jelly, BBQ sauce. I happen to like Sweet Baby Ray's, and 1 teaspoonful Worcestershire sauce. So let's get started. This is one of those videos that you just put on and let it go. You need 1/2 cup of grape jelly, and I have a small crock pot. So we're going to put 1/2 cup of grape jelly in there. 1½ cup of barbecue sauce. There's 1 cup, and let's get 1/2 cup. Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And 1 teaspoonful of Worcestershire sauce. There we go. Just give that a good stir for just a few seconds. And we have 1 pack of the Little Smokies. I had those in the freezer, so I had taken them out. Put the lid on them. We're going to turn them on high. Might turn them down in a little bit. And let them cook for 2 hours. And we will be done. We'll have an appetizer when people come over this afternoon. Something very simple. 1/2 cup of grape jelly, 1½ cup of your barbecue sauce that you like, and a teaspoonful of Worcestershire sauce. Okay, I have had my little smokies cooking now for 2 hours. Let's just see what we have. The grape jelly and the barbecue sauce is all blended together. They really look good. And this is good with potato salads, hot dogs. It's just an appetizer. Real easy to fix. Everybody likes it. You can put some toothpicks for people to just take 1 or 2 every how many they need. Or they can do like I did, put a whole lot in a bowl. Mix it all together, put your lid on it, and let it cook for a couple of hours, and you are ready to serve. And again, this is around the house with Kay and Tom, just a simple little appetizer for all the football games that we're having now. In the meantime, I had some Texas toast in the freezer, so I have toasted me 2 pieces of Texas toast. And like I say, this is really good with potato salad, hot dogs. It's just an appetizer. Now I have my little smokies and my Texas toast. And so I've just got a little treat for this afternoon. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Come back to see me and offer your comments. Have a fantastic day.